Hi. Maps and field maps are visual elements that allow you to present data related to geographic areas. In this video, you will find out how to create such visuals.
Before adding maps or field maps, it is important to know that this feature must be enabled at your Power BI tenant. If Power BI Desktop shows you an error, please contact your administrator to adjust this setting. I imported a simple dataset that contains some geographic data. To add a map visual, click on the designated icon. Drag field with geographical locations into location. Drag amount dimension into the bubble size field. Now you got a simple map. Bubbles show sales locations and its size shows the sales volume. You can use computer mouse to move through the map, or to scroll in or scroll out in order to zoom in or zoom out within the map area. If you want to see more data, you can, for instance, drag classification dimension into a legend field. Field map is a type of map visual that fills areas of countries, municipalities, cities. I will simply change map to field map visual. The best municipalities on this map are colored with most intensity. Power BI Desktop contains several other map visuals. Be free to explore them. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.